Are you looking to earn $100 to $150 a day just by doing simple tasks? Make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. I'm going to show you a site where they claim that you can actually earn $100 to $150 a day just by doing super small tasks. Okay, so the site we're talking about today is called Wooklly. Okay, I think that's how you pronounce it. And as you can see here, it says an online platform for part-time work, and you can earn up to $100 to $150 on a day. Now, some of the English on this actual website is not brilliant. So that is a sort of a little bit of a red flag. And I want you to stay tuned right to the very end of this before you actually go and decide to join and see whether this is going to be possible for you. I'm going to run through exactly what I found about the website. And also we're going to dive into the back of the website and find out exactly how we can earn this $100 to $150 per day. So the first thing it says you have to do, obviously, go and register and then log into your Wooklly account. You do start online tasks, and then you can also refer and earn program they have in place. You can earn 10% of everybody else's income as well. So that really does boost your income. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the back of the dashboard and find out exactly how easily it is to actually go and earn money. Now, this is the inside the dashboard, as it says here. I've logged in successfully, and I've got a monthly amount here, total for $5.65. Now, I did actually get a $5 bonus just for signing up, even though it doesn't say so on the front of the website. So let's find out exactly how easy it is to actually go and earn some more money. The tasks are here, and as it says, get up to $8 with this task, 8 with that task, 6 with that task, $4 with that task, and loads more that are 8, 6, 4. They all seem to be around that sort of figure, and they're all different things. This will tell you here. This one says major garage door service companies and manufacturers in the US. Let's show you exactly what they mean by that. So let's click on this one here, and it says click here to start the task. So this opens up this page. Now, as you can see at the top here, it's gone to a separate website. Okay, so and it says here you will see related topics ads on a page below with this below the screenshot. You just click on below link of it. As you can see, the English is quite bad on this website, so that is definitely a red flag. So number 2, step 2, it says you need to click on this screenshot here. And then number 3, it says you now need to click on the link that looks like this screenshot below. And then step 4, it says you then have to stay on for 1 minute to complete the task. So let's go and check it out and see whether we can actually do anything here. So first step is we're going to have to literally click on some related ads like this. Okay, so let's scroll to the bottom, and it says here start task. Now we've got to find the ads. So we scroll down, as you can see, there's the ads. So we just click on any one of these, it said. Now we've got to click on any one of these. So we click on online marketing, online. And then it says we've obviously got to click on ads like this. So we visit the website. It says here we need to stay on this website for about a minute. Okay, so while we're doing that, as you can see here, let's just quickly go through some other bits on the site while that is happening. But as you can see here, there is very, very little on the actual website apart from these tasks. If you come up to the hamburger thing here, you have got various different things here. You've got payment. We're going to go into payments very shortly. It says referrals here. It says about a KYC and about your team, etc. So if we went to referral, as you can see here, it gives a share the referral code and earn $300. Okay, so this is the invite code here, and it says about inviting friends. So that's all you have to do is share this code to get people onto your team. Now we should have actually done this task now. Refresh the page, and as you can see, we've earned about 95 cents. Okay, so it's not the $8 that you're obviously paying, but it does say get up to $8, but I only got 95 cents, not even $1. And as you can see, I'm now on $6.60, which is pretty good just for a few clicks. But there is problems with this website, and let's just go through them very, very quickly. Now, the first thing is I did go and check it out on who.is, which is a website that will tell you a bit more information about the actual website. So we put in the website domain name there, and as you can see, it's only actually been registered at the end of 2022, and we're in March 23 now, so it's about 3-4 months old, three months old. So it's a very, very new website. So there are going to be people that haven't even reached the threshold to pay out yet. So we don't know whether they're going to pay out. But my idea is that there's a possibility they may not. And let's go and prove that to you. If we scroll down a bit further on the actual home page and we go through, and it says at the bottom here, it says they have had 143,000 people create an account and 134,000 web users. So I'm not quite sure what that means. And 1,600 work providers. So again, I'm presuming that's just the tasks. But this is the one that does worry me. It says they have paid out over $19.8 million plus. So in other words, $20 million in 3 months. That's nearly $7 million per month. That is really ringing alarm bells there. Why would they state that when they're only 3 months old? Now, if you go to the socials here and try and click on any of these socials, it doesn't take you anywhere. It really doesn't take you anywhere. So again, these are not linked at all. Let's just go on the About Us page as well. And it says here, it also says the company is managed by a UK team. Well, that doesn't really run true again because of some of the wording on the actual website is awful. And it certainly is really bad English. So if this is a UK team they're managed by, they need to get sacked. Really do, because some of the wording on this is not good. Right, so let's just show you more and we come back into the dashboard and let's just go on payment. As you can see here, these are the payments you're allowed. The first payment, the minimum payment is $300. Okay. Whoa, that is a huge amount. And that is another red flag, guys, because you've got to do an awful lot of clicks if you're only going to get $1.95 per task. Not allowed to retake the actual task, and there's not 100 tasks in there to do. So how are you going to get $100 a day? Again, that is a massive red flag as well. So they've all got the KYC here as well, and it's saying about you can do your bank transfer, PayPal, and a couple of other things that I don't even know. But you're getting to give them your name, account number, SWIFT code, bank name. Don't fill any of this in, guys. I would not be filling in any of your bank details here personally. Because until we know that it is actually paying out, but I don't think it's going to happen. Certainly in the next couple of months, people will be starting to say, I haven't had my money, etc. I'm sure that's going to be the case. All in all, guys, Wooklly is probably one to stay well clear of. I mean, they've got some really good claims here that obviously you can earn $100, $150 per day, which is possible to earn that amount, but the way they're earning it is just clicking on ads, and that it just doesn't seem viable. I mean, I don't really know where they're getting their money from to pay you. I don't even think there's a possibility there would be any payments out there. But as you can see, there's loads of different offers here that you can start to click on. So there is probably enough that you could click through all of these and earn quite a bit of money. But again, whether they then, another thing that possibly might happen is as you click on more ads, you're going to get less amount of money. So they just want you to keep clicking and clicking and clicking. And in the end, you'll go down to probably just a few cents when you start getting near to the $300 pull out. So just to wrap up here, I'm basically saying that be very, very careful of Wooklly. It's certainly a site that is not guaranteed to pay you out at all, even though the tasks are very simple. They are too simple, and they're paying out too much for just a few clicks. No one's going to start paying $1 to have people click on their website. They just wouldn't do it. It would just be too expensive for them. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to check out these videos, which will help you to make legit money online. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.